Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. And these are some, I got two of them. These are some containers that I saw Frontier Preppers use. And I was looking for a good organization system. So I picked up a couple. Well, I had a little extra money because I desperately need to work on my organization. So these, I believe, is pronounced Plano. They're heavy-duty design, water-resistant O-ring seal, 2 removable internal dividers, 2-sided carry handles, and rated to 85 pounds, and they're stackable. So here's the, I'll try to zoom in on and focus on the dimensions. Here, let's see if we can do it this way. Come on, there we go. So there are the dimensions. It is made in the USA. There's the website, but I got them through Amazon. So I already undid the clips. Sorry about the camera not focusing very well. I am doing this on the day that we had the fire alarm. Everything is okay. I'm doing better. I will be doing better by the time you see this. I'm doing a little bit better than I was earlier. But anyways, okay, so they have the 2 side clips that lock down. 2 spots where you can put locks to or zip ties or something like that. These are, I think, made for ammo cases. Yeah, tactical ammo crate. I am not using it for that. I'm using it more for keeping preps together, similar to one of these will be exactly pretty much like his was, with toothpaste and deodorant and things like that. So let me switch hands for a second and lift this one up a little bit more because it wouldn't let me lift the lid. Alright, so here's the inside. Let me flip that back. This is what the inside looks like. Sorry everybody, I see that I'm still having troubles and my body is very weak. I have to stay on the bed, so I have to do the filming just a little bit different. So these are the 4 compartments. These are the dividers that come out. So you can make it 1 compartment, 2 compartments, or the 4. So, I picked up a couple of them, 2 of them. I have the other one on the other side of me. There's Care Bear. She's still resting from helping me as much as she did. And she doesn't like the alarms. They are very, very loud, and it scares her quite a bit because they are so loud. And we all know dogs hear better than we do, so it's super loud for her, and it does trigger my dystonia. But anyways, we're back to the containers. So I'm going to fill these up with some of my other props to better help organize, and I'll eventually show you that when I get that done. I can't do that today, unfortunately. Otherwise, I would just make this video a little bit longer by pausing and filling it up. But I can't do that today. So we're just going to show you the container today. And we'll do that another day. So these just, well, once you get everything out of its way, these just snap back down and lock the container. I will have to turn it to try to get the lock. There we go. Oops, sorry, baby. I didn't mean to scare you. So, yeah, they are very nice and sturdy containers. I'm really happy with what I purchased. So, as I save up, I will start putting either getting this size or maybe a little bit bigger depending on the items that I'm going to be putting in them. See that they are waterproof and they're easy to stack. They do cost a little bit, but the other regular like storage totes just aren't doing as well as I expected, especially being stacked. So I need something that's really sturdy, that's going to stack really nice, and it will just take time for me to get the containers that I'm looking for, and I'm hoping that maybe these are it. So, with that being said, I am going to say that's it for right now. I'm sorry, my brain is very scrambled. All right, everybody, stay safe. May God bless you to overflowing, and may He keep each and every one of you safe, and your friends and family too. Bye for now.